In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add headers and footers to Google Sheets. We'll start simple. Open your preferred web browser and head to Google's homepage. In the top right corner, click the small grid icon. This is the Google Apps launcher. From the menu, choose Sheets to open the Google Sheets home screen, then open the spreadsheet you want to work with. If it's a shared file, make sure you have edit access so your changes carry through to printing. A quick note before we add anything. Headers and footers in Google Sheets are designed for printouts and PDFs. You won't see them in the normal spreadsheet view. They only appear on the printed pages or in the print preview. That's why we'll add them from the print settings. With your document open, go to the top menu and click File, then select Print. This takes you into the print preview window with a settings panel on the right and a live page preview on the left. This view is where all the header and footer controls live, and it lets you see changes as you make them. On the right, find and click Headers and Footers to expand its options. You'll see quick toggles for common elements like page numbers, workbook title, sheet name, current date, and current time. Turn on the ones you need. Page numbers are ideal for multi-page reports, while workbook title and sheet name help readers understand which file and tab they're looking at. Date and timestamps are useful when you need to show when a report was generated. If you want something more specific, choose the option to edit custom fields. This opens editable areas at the top and bottom of the page. Click directly into the spot where you want content to appear, left, center, or right in the header, and the same choices in the footer. Keep an eye on the preview so you can see exactly where your text will land and how it aligns with your margins. Type the exact header or footer text you want, such as a department name, a short project description, or a notice for internal use. Keep it concise so it doesn't crowd your data, and avoid sensitive details you don't want printed. When you're happy with the content and placement, click Confirm to apply those custom fields to your print layout. Take a moment to scan the preview pages. Make sure nothing overlaps your data and that the spacing looks clean. If needed, you can return to the Headers and Footers section to adjust your choices. That's it. You've added clear, professional headers and footers to your Google Sheets, ready for printing or exporting to PDF.